Just loaded up the kayak, ready to get out on the water. I just picked this up yesterday. It was like, I got it for $175 on sale. I was pretty surprised. I had some promotional offers, so I got it for like $175. It's not necessarily a fishing kayak, but I'll turn it into one. I went to Home Depot today and I picked up the crate, those, some zip ties just so I could put my poles in them for today. I'm probably gonna do some more updates on this, but alright, let's see if I can get you guys some fish. Jeez, destroying that. There he is. There he goes. Small one. Come here. There we go. He's not that big.